I'll show you how to add a video inside text using CapCut. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to use. I'll include a link in the description to download these copyright-free videos. Next, drag and drop the video onto the timeline. In the top left corner, select Text, then add the default text to the timeline. You can adjust the text layer to match the length of the video if you want. Edit the text to say something sweet like love. Choose your favorite font. I'm using Comic Access, and adjust the text size to around 40. To place our video within the text, we need to move the text layer below the video layer. First, click on the empty space on the timeline, then click the Modify button. Ensure the Arranged Layer option is turned on so we can move layers freely. If it is on, click the Save button. Select both the text and video layers and move them up. Next, select only the text layer and move it under the video layer. Now, our text layer is completely covered, but here's a cool trick to fit the video within the text. Click on the video layer, go to the right menu, and click the small arrow next to Blend to reveal the blending mode. Click on the default button and choose Multiply as your blending option. It looks fantastic. Let's animate our text so it can zoom in and fully reveal the video. First, make sure the playhead is at the beginning of the video. Click on the text layer to select it, go to the right menu, and turn on the keyframe for transform or just for scale. Move the playhead a few frames forward, return to the right menu, and increase the scale of the text to your desired size. Now replay the video. It looks stunning, but what if you want to fully zoom in and reveal the video? Place the playhead on the second keyframe, go to the right menu, and turn on the keyframe for position. Move a few frames forward and change the scale to a high number that will fully reveal the video. Since there is a black background on the left side, click on the preview screen and move the text layer to eliminate the black background. Let's move the playhead to the beginning of the video and play it.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you picked the hottest under the sun.
It looks amazing. If you want to slow down the zoom in effect, simply select the text layer and move the keyframe a bit farther. This will create a smooth, slow zoom in effect. If you enjoyed this quick video, turn on the notification bell for more cool video tricks.